visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Tignan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. The Chariot, the Enchantress, and the Six of Wands. Parang meron yata ditong isang manifestations of pupunta ako dyan or pupunta ka sa akin. Chances are, medyo magkalayo kayo nitong taong to. Physical separation it is. It can be that the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent. Nakikita din natin dito na meron talagang travel na pwedeng mangyari. Parang matagal na itong pinaplano. Pero because of unfortunate events, siguro plano pa ito noong bago magka-pandemic. However, nagkaroon ng pandemic, hindi natuloy, and then nagkapatong-patong. Parang ngayon yata matutuloy na. So with the Six of Wands, your person might going to give you a good news, or pwedeng ikaw magbigay ng good news dito kay person. You can switch the energies ha. What I am reading is the dynamic naman. So with the Two of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. Pero bakit ganun? Parang may takot, may kaba. Ngayon nagdadalawang isip tayo kasi tinatanong ba natin kung nagkaroon ba siya ng karelasyon while nung hindi kayo nagkikita, or baka natatakot ka kasi ikaw yung may karelasyon. You're probably, kasi ang nakikita natin dito, noong mga panahon na yon, nung nagplano naming magkita, yes, gusto ko sanang mangyari. But then again, medyo nag-iba na yung ihip ng panahon, nag-iba na yung hangin. Parang natatakot ako kasi baka masaktan ko siya, no? Again, it can be you, it can be your person. Parang hindi na ako ganun ka-enthusiasm. Sayang naman, nang hinayang tuloy ako. Kasi at one point in time, ginusto nyo to. At one point in time, talagang super enthusiastic kayo na dapat mangyari to. Talagang yung pagpaplano is talagang anong-ano siya, no? Kumbaga ganap na ganap. Yun nga, with the unfortunate events, medyo hindi siya natuloy. Ngayong pwede nang matuloy, may balakid na naman. And again, this might have something to do with a third-party situation, or I don't love you that much anymore. So with the Temperance and the Death card, sabihin nating humina, yung parang signal, no? Humina ang signal. Humina or medyo naubos, nawala itong aking feelings, no? For you. But then again, sinusubukan kong i-revive, no? Yung feelings, sinusubukan kong i-revive yung nararamdaman ko. Baka pwede pa, no? I don't wanna close the door. I don't wanna even call it quits. Pwedeng sabihin natin, yes, meron akong somewhat pag-aalinlangan, somewhat duda, pero Bakit hindi? Kasi at one point in time nga ginusto ko rin 'to. At one point in time pinagdasal ko makita ka. Pero natatakot ako baka hindi ko na maibigay yung emotional, intensity 'no, kasi hindi na gano'n kalalim yung nararamdaman. With the Four of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Witch of Wands. Ngayon parang may nagyayaya na dito na humanap ka ng lugar or ng bahay, lilipat tayo. Um, Nakakakaba kasi you parang someone here would love to bring back the enthusiasm. Someone here wanted to bring back the old feelings. Parang I remember the boy but I don't remember the feelings anymore 'no, parang gano'n nga ang kanyang drama dito. Um, Kasi with the Witch of Wands parang meron na dito nag-aaya, "Sige humanap ka ng bahay, magsama na tayo." With the Maiden of Cups and the Crown of Pentacles. Ginagawa naman yung mga promise 'no. So parang meron ditong sabihin natin, ako yung, um, ako yung inutusang humanap ng lugar. Siyempre ako yung enthusiastic makita ka, pero si person, um, parang hindi na gano'n parang gagawin ko na lang 'to for the sake of kasi na-promise ko. I don't wanna look bad, I don't want to be a person who gonna be tagged as a player, um, or probably baligtad. Ako naman din gagawin ko na lang din maghahanap ako ng lugar pero, um, I don't I don't feel the enthusiasm anymore. Puwedeng ikaw 'no, yung enthusiastic tas ako hindi. With the Queen of Wands and the Lust. Um, ang maganda dito is hindi tinapon 'no, yung samahan. Hindi tinapon yung pinagsamahan, yung somewhat yung banters of energy. Kaya naman 'tong mabigyan ng spark, actually. Nakikita natin dito with, understanding, with communication again, and I feel like with, the touch 'no, maibabalik. Kasi yung longevity ng siguro kasi na ano na 'to, eh, na immune na hindi tayo magkasama. So, parang nawalan ako ng pag-asa na hindi tayo nagkikita at hindi na tayo magkikita. Parang tinatak ko na sa isip ko yon at ngayon nandiyan. I don't know what to do anymore. Pero yung magkakiskisan tayo uli ng balat or magkakikiskisan na tayo ng balat, I feel like manunumbalik lalo na yung enthusiasm of maibabalik yung pagkikita lalo na 'pag nagkita kayo sa mata 'no. Manunumbalik yung intensity, yon kasi ginusto niyo 'to dati. Paano yun nga, I feel like kailangan dito ng intimacy, manunumbalik naman siya. So, 'wag mawalan ng pag-asa kung nandito kayo sa ganitong situation. Um, it kinda make me feel na, ah, you know, kailangan lang hukayin yung dating pakiramdam at parang para siyang isang halaman na kulang sa aruga. So 'pag nadiligan 'yan, double meaning, puwede 'tong mabuhay. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago 'yan, I want you to know 'no, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung gusto niyo magpa-shoutout sa comment section po, please type your name and yung location ninyo. Kung kayo may mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link and you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Of course, reading mo to. Pwedeng lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign or placement din ng inyong chart. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Aries. Did I just mention Taurus? Yes, Virgo, Cancer. I am seeing Capricorn, Gemini, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.